police, put your hands up and give me all the beer. Or you going to jail, redneck jail, where we tie you up and leave you there.
Bondage.
Well, guys, this is what she looks like with the top on her. I feel like a cage chop needs to happen. But it does look like a whole different beast. We're going to go over and check out the wiring. I'm almost done with it, but I got to figure out how to put some taillights on it. I'll show you that too. That's what she's looking like. I got the switch panel all wired up. Tells me I'm at 11.7. There's that. There's those. And I didn't know that these lights did that. It said strobe, but I assumed that you had to hook them into like a box. But turns out you got to turn them on. They'll be solid blue, then turn them off. Turn them back on, and they'll be flashing. So, yeah. And then we got one for the radio. Oh, that's the lights. Lights. One for radio, one for underglow lights, and then one left over for whatever else. It also comes with USB charger, 12-volt charger. Now, guys, we're actually going to be doing a dash panel here. I just wanted to get all my wires ran. That way later on I can tuck them away and button them up and make this panel in here. We got a radio to go over here. It's going to be super sick. Now, got the choke hooked up better. It actually works now, easier. The key start, obviously. We have our wire mess here. I will be cleaning this up, making it look a little better. It's not that bad, actually, but I want to put some wire mesh on some stuff here. Some wire stuff, and then get these tucked out of the way and away from the heat. This wire is really hot, so it needs to come up this way and out and around. We will be doing that. I had to modify the air box. I don't know what I'm going to be doing about that as of right now, but everything's doing good. And we're going to be getting a CVT for this. I don't know when, but we are going to be getting a CVT for this. It's always fuzzy when I go that way. So, she is looking good. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of. We're going to call it the Monster Cart, and I'm going to get letters. I'm going to do like a little quarter windshield across here that says Monster Cart and Redneck Garage. I'll probably make that. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Well, guys, I need your opinion on these. Trying to figure out a way to mount them. Wife says they look cool that way. Let me know what you guys think. You do know what taillights those are. I don't know, man. Help me out in the comments. I got them zip tied on for testing purposes only. Ain't got nothing to do with being a redneck or anything and a redneck build, but if we like these where they're at, I'll get some bolts and make some mounting brackets and stuff someday along the line. Probably never, because zip ties, you know, zip tie nation. But let me know what you guys think on those, please. I appreciate it. Lazy man's way of lighting a fire. You just set the torch, keep an eye on it, of course, and don't forget about it. That's how we light a fire around here. We're gonna sit back and enjoy it. 7 o'clock in the morning. Got me and the wifey some breakfast. Just us time at the camp, huh, honey? Yes. Well, us and YouTube. But I can handle YouTube. I can't handle them kids. Right, babe? They drive me bonkers. Yeah. Well, guys, we got some gas coming for that because dummy me forgot a gas can, so we're gonna ride it today. He got beer. Sadie?
Damn, trade my beer off for babies.
Yeah, that's the wrong trade. So guys, let me know what you think about Monster Cart. Let me know if there's anything that we should do to it. We are going to be doing underglow lights. I have them, but I got to do some soldering, and I forgot my soldering iron. Otherwise, they would be on it already. We're going to be doing a stereo on it, so that's a plus. Let me know if there's something you guys would like to see. I do have plans to put a turbo on it. It's not going to be a go fast cart, but she'll have some torque, which is what you need in this thing for some of the hills out here. The centrifugal clutch just ain't cutting it. It's super noisy, super jerky because it's not geared correctly for that clutch. It jumps. So I can take that clutch apart and modify it. Maybe we'll do a video on that. But it's really going to do no good because it's just going to go on the shelf for like a go-kart project or something we might do later on down the road. By all means, it's a decent clutch for what I paid for it, like 20 bucks, 30 bucks, something like that. But it's just not good for this application. We are going to go to CVT. I found a whole CVT setup for 65 bucks, bolt on, ready to go. So we're going to be looking into doing that and seeing how that will go and how, but I'm thinking that CVT is the way to go because it'll give us a better gear range, gear ratio range, better ratio overall for doing the hills and stuff we do. Now it does do the hills, but it bogs down, and that's due to the clutch, and the gearing's just not. If I go any taller on the gears, then it's going to be like 4 miles an hour, and that's just too slow. I like it about 10 where it's at, but the CVT I'm going to estimate should gain us anywhere to 20, 15, 20, maybe 22, 25 miles an hour if I'm lucky with that. That's what I should gain from it. But if I don't gain anything, I'm happy with that. I just want it to be smooth and quiet. That chain tensioner is awfully annoying. It doesn't bother me, but campers. I don't want it to bother campers. We managed to get 2, possibly 4 golf carts in here. We got the okay to get them. We're going to get them when we get back from Kentucky from the Wildcat ride. I'm going to bring my trailer. I wish I had it now because they'd be going home with me. But they're in the woods over there. And 2 of them run and 1 of them drives, I guess. So that's a big plus. We'll be getting them and we'll be doing some stuff like you just saw with them. So let me know your ideas down below on what we should do with those ones. I'm thinking ride them high, jack them up and ride them high. I don't know. Maybe I'll do something completely different with those ones. We shall see. Let me know what you think, please. We're enjoying our fire, babe. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Well, we took the golf cart for a ride and we ran out of gas. We had to coast it down the hill. Not enough gas in the tank. I thought there was more than what there was. So tomorrow I have to find gas. Whoops.